Hello, and I'm going to teach you negative numbers. Please subscribe and tweet me. And I'm going to go into the first question. So you can see -4 plus 6 equals, we don't know what that is yet, because there's these numbers. Not really numbers, but there's these lines, and I'm going to write, so on this side, we plus 0, but it's not really plus. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Then here, we won't know what's here, but it's the negative numbers, and it's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. What we're going to do, -4, so -4 is here, plus 6, -4, so we, -4 plus 6, so we will know what that is, because now we will just count up to the number that we're going to be the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is going to be 2, because we have just counted up to the answer, and that's 2. So we're going to do 2. If we do another number, we could do another number like any of these minuses. Any of these positive numbers. They're called positive numbers, I think, and minus something. Minus, like, yeah. So I'm going to do that's what I'm going to do now. So 4 plus -6. Wait, not plus. That's meant to be minus 6 equals, okay, 4 minus 6. I'm not going to write the minus there next to 6. So we're going to, we're going to take these numbers, this line away, and we're going to count away. So we're going to go up to 4, the positive number. So 4, take away 6, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be -2. What we're going to do, so this is what it is. If you do 4 minus 6 equals -2, it's going to be the same answer if you do -4 plus 6. It's going to be the same answer. It's just the negative numbers and the positive numbers. That's the thing. It's just about the size. So it's going to be -2, because if 4 minus 6 equals -2, that means -4 plus 6 equals 2. So the answer will be -2 or just 2. So this answer is just -2.